Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's DIY is going to be another mirror wall decor. And these are the items that you're going to need. So what I did is, you will need a mirror. My pieces come from a wire that you do a Christmas wreath, or you could do all kinds of decors. What I did is I cut them up. I glued them together, and this is what it comes out to. So I have several pieces of those, the large, medium, small, and smaller. And then you have all your beads and gems. And then your skewers, you would need 12 skewers, bamboo skewers. And what I do is, there's two ways of you can decorate this. You could do it by paint. I use the acrylic paint, and I'm always about glitter. I love glitter. So what I do is I take the paint and I put glitter and it makes it all up, and this is how I paint my bamboo skewers, and they're nice and glittery. So you can do it that way, or you could just do it plain. It's up to you. And of course you have your hot glue gun and your glue sticks, and then you have, what I did is I have made a board for myself to do my my crafts. I find this very convenient, and it really helps me out. So, and then we will get started. So I took the liberty of doing for myself. I started, what I did is I had to put 12 skewers, and what I did is I glued them in the back. You see here? So I'm going to show you how I did that. So I took the mirror, and I have one of those templates, and this is 24 lines. So what I did is I took every double line and I placed it here, and I took the pencil and I just did the 2 lines. So you go all around like this, every second line. See? And then when you then you take the ruler and you just go to the lines and you make the 12. So this is how you do it. And then you take the bamboo skew, and then I put it on the line here, and I just hot glue gun, and what I do is I measure it, and this is all your choices. You either do 9.5 or 10 or 10.5, or you could do 8, whatever you prefer. I know for myself, to the people that they buy my products, that they always like extra large. They like big items for some reason, and this is what they like. So there it is. So we will get started, and like I had said, I took the liberty of taking my mirror and I glued all of the 12 skews to save time, and this is what you see. So what I did is, and this is very based, it's wonderful because I can put all my stuff and it's going to be all even. So out of those wire, I took 3 large ones, and these, they measure 7 inches. And then I have 3 more that measures 6 inches. And then I have 3 more that measures 5.5. And these 3 more, and these are 4.5. So you will see, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place them all. So I have to go to large, medium, small, and smaller for each one of them. And what I have to do is I have to put it right on my mirror here, and I have to center it to make sure that everything is even. And then I take a medium one. I'm going to do it here. A smaller one. And basically, I should also mention that it doesn't really matter what side you have because it's the same wire either or. So it is your choice. And so what I'm going to do is when I glue all of this, I put it, I would say, maybe half an inch from the edge of my mirror inside. I put it maybe half an inch just to give it enough that is going to glue well. I don't want it to be falling apart. So this is my first time doing this. So this is my first experience also. I've never done this before. But I've had this idea to use wire. I've always been looking for material that for wires because there's so many things that you can do. And I should also mention the glue I use is Gorilla Glue sticks. I find they work really, really well compared to others. And I buy those at Walmart. And of course, when you do crafts, as often as I do, I also use the E6000. I find that works marvelous on anything, especially the crafts that I do. And it's usually most is mirror wall decors. It's and these, I should also mention, these are wonderful. You could do Christmas wreaths with the deco mesh. You could also use it if you're going to do just a wreath with accessories, the Christmas balls and etc. I use both. And what I usually do is when I do my Christmas wreaths, deco mesh, I put lighting in the back. And people, they just love that. And a lighted Christmas wreath, you can't beat that. So everything is pretty well all dried up. And this is wonderful, this wire. There's so many designs and crafts that you can do with this. It's unlimited. Like there's no end to what you can do. The possibilities for the crafts, especially for me because I do crafts like all the time. So it's pretty much all dried, and this is what it's going to look like. You see that? Came out really, 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 really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to start decorating with my beads. So what I'm going to do is the big, I don't know if you can see that. And these, they measure at least an inch. These are the transparent beads. So what I'm going to do, use that, I'm going to put it on the, since there's a big hole, the wire ones, I'm going to put that there. So I'm going to glue it on each side. Alright everyone, welcome back. So I finished all of my beads, but what is going to happen is I'm going to have to switch the round transparent beads to oval ones, because I noticed that for the wires there's too much of a gap. So I'm not going to do that now, but I just wanted to let you guys know this is what I'm going to be doing. So now for the finale, I'm going to put little rhinestone and gems all around the mirror. And you get those at the Dollar Tree, by the way. And also the mirror is from the Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is, just to give it a little bit of spark, I'm going to put beads right in the middle of the mirror, just to give it that little extra glam. I'm just doing it this way now, but when you want to sell this product, you're definitely going to have to glue it, because it does not stay. And there you have it, everyone. So this is what the final product is going to look like. I hope everyone can see this. Turned out just beautiful. It's pretty big, as you can see, but it turned out really, 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 really nice. And the nice thing about this is you can paint it the color that you want for your decor, or if you sell your products, that people can choose the colors that they want. You can also paint around the mirror and choose the beads that you want. So I hope today you enjoyed the DIY, and if you did, please subscribe, comment, or like, and we'll see you on my next DIY. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.